Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to make these cute melted snowman Christmas cookies. Now I'll be making these on a chocolate cookie base, however you can do these on shortbread or sugar cookies or whatever you like. And to quickly show you the recipe, I'm using vegan softened butter, a mix of caster and brown sugar and vanilla extract, and mixing all of this together to form a paste. Then I'm adding plain flour, baking powder, salt, cocoa powder, and mixing this together to form a dough using a couple tablespoons of soy milk or plant milk to bring this all together into a dough. This recipe makes 8 cookies. The ingredients are in the description box below with the measurements in full, and also the full video can be found in the description box below as well, where I made Christmas pudding cookies recently on my channel as well with the same cookies, so you can check out that video, which might help. So for the top bit, I've added around 4 to 5 heaped tablespoons of icing sugar, and I've added a splash of water. A little bit goes a long way. You can use water or milk, and mix this together rigorously to form this raw icing sugar kind of thing, and I'm spreading these on top of my cookies. Now, just to say again, you can do this on any cookies, and I think sugar cookies would probably go best, but I've kind of added these in like a puddle shape and just spooned it on top and added half vegan marshmallow onto each one of these. Then I'm just using those edible icing gel pens and adding on eyes, mouth, and a carrot nose for my snowman as well. They're not all perfect, but you can have a couple goes at it. I'm also adding on the hands and the buttons for the snowman using just sprinkle balls, and that's all you need to make these adorable, cute but simple snowman cookies. These are perfect Christmas treats, and if you like these, you might also like my Christmas pudding cookies that I posted earlier as well on my channel. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.